Aaliyah, Kiana, she the boss. She be doing her thing, whipping sauce, natural and she lit. Follow me, she unlocking her dreams. She got the key, got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Ain't no stopping me.
Hey everyone, it's Aaliyah, Kiana. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how I wash my hair while it's in a protective style, which is Senegalese twists. I've been rocking my hair in Senegalese twists for a while now. I've had these in for a month and 2.5 weeks. This works for anyone who is wearing a protective style where they can't really comb through their hair or brush through their hair, such as box braids, Senegalese twists, I guess crochet and things like that. Guys, I'm gonna let you know this way is the easiest way for me. And I literally, I think, only wash my hair about 1 to 2 times when I have a protective style like this. It sounds dirty, but trust me, it's not. Stop. I'm recording. That's my dog. I promise you guys, this is gonna be very simple. I am all about being simple. Again, that's my dog playing if you hear that noise. So what you will need to wash your hair is, number 1, a spray bottle. As you can see, I have water in it. It's like halfway. You have to have a shampoo, any shampoo that works fine for your hair. I would recommend a clarifying shampoo so that it can deeply cleanse your scalp, especially because you don't wash your hair too often when you have a protective style like box braids or Senegalese twists. This is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is a good clarifying shampoo. I really like this one. It really cleanses my hair, but it still feels moisturized. I have essential oils to add to my shampoo because I haven't washed my hair in a while, so I really wanted to stimulate my scalp and unclog my pores from all of the dirt and hair product that I put in it. So yeah, I have some rosemary oil, essential oil. I have peppermint essential oil, and I also have lavender essential oil. So I'm gonna add a few drops of that to my shampoo mix. I also have a few clips to use on my hair to separate and really get into all of the parts of my hair, and like a hair tie, just in case. That's all you will need. And this thing that you see, this is a mirror, so I may be looking down to see what I'm doing. So let's jump into the video. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I have not washed my hair. You can still see my scalp, thank God, but I have a good amount of new growth. Yeah, these things are long. Anywho, so let's take this water bottle and I'm gonna shake this up, mix up those ingredients. Ah! No, it didn't. This shampoo done splashed on me. It spit at me. But anyway, so this is 1 part water that I already have in here, and I'm gonna put in 1 part shampoo. And if I need to add more, you can always add more. Oh, so I'm covering it up. This looks like a science project. I'm gonna just take some rosemary oil, essential oil. I'm gonna add some drops of that. Alright, so I just added 12 drops of rosemary. I'm not adding too much because I'm also adding other essential oils, so I don't want it to be irritating to my scalp. Next is the peppermint. Guys, I'm going all natural. I don't have on any makeup. The only thing I have on is lip gloss, so because this is a chill, relaxing day, I'm trying to think of it as a spa day. That peppermint smells so good. Lastly, I have the lavender oil. Alright, that's 12 in there. I'm not putting any more because I can smell the essential oils. They're very potent, so be careful. Shake it up. You have to shake it up really good. My towel. Oh, by the way, you need a towel. because it might get messy. So again, I may be looking down is because I'm trying to see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna split my hair into parts. Put this in a braid. I separated it because I don't like when everything is like all together. So I just made a little part right here. Start spraying my scalp. Be careful, it may just drip. You want it to get sudsy. Basically washing your hair outside of the shower. You want to really massage that in. Get those edges, because you know, I know y'all been putting gel on your edges. It's okay. I have to. Nothing to be ashamed about. And when you're washing your hair, regardless of if it's in a protective style or not, you're using the pads of your fingers, not like this, not scratching your scalp. That's what you see me doing here. Giving yourself a massage, not scratching. Now what I'm gonna do is twist this part up since I completed it. Ooh, my scalp is tingling. That's okay, I like that. Now this is the next part, which is the back of my hair. And then I'll move on to the other side. Shake it up. A little bit more shampoo because it's feeling really watery. So I'm pouring it in. When I talk to people about me washing my hair while having this protective style in, I realized a lot of people actually don't wash their hair. Unless they're only keeping it for a month. But still, if I'm keeping my braids in for a month, I feel like I need to at least wash my hair. When you wash your scalp with shampoo, it allows your scalp and your hair to really take in the products that you want to add to your hair so that it can promote hair growth. Like if you keep applying products without washing it, you know, you're not going to get much results because your scalp is clogged. Your hair is basically thanking you right now. So I'm going to braid this section up to get it out the way. Ooh, yeah, that's really tingling. Oh my gosh. Yep, I feel that. Alright guys, I just came back from clipping my nails because they were really snagging onto my hair. So definitely make sure you do that. That's a good tip. So now on to the next side. Now I'm gonna bring you guys to the shower so you can see how I rinse my hair out. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and really stimulate my scalp because I feel the tingle sensation, so I really wanted to sit real quick. So probably for like 5 minutes. I'll be back.